Hey everybody, it's Johnny Mac, and today, fish anyone? We're going to do a sweet tartar sauce. I'd like to take a moment to thank all of my subscribers for watching, and if you haven't had that chance to subscribe, please click that subscribe button below for all of the latest and greatest sauce and gravy videos. Now it's time for a little bit of prep work, so let's go ahead and grab that board, grab a lemon, slice it, juice it, grab your tablespoon and slowly, carefully pour it on in. Now it's time to go ahead and grab an onion. Be careful, don't cut yourself. We're going to go ahead and slice it up. We want this onion to be minced really, really finely. Grab a hard-boiled egg, go ahead and crack it open. We're going to take out the egg yolks and we're going to give them a good crushing. Now go ahead and grab the star of the show, the sweet pickle. We're going to go ahead and chop this up nicely. Now grab that parsley, it's time to finally chop it. Let's rock it out with that blade on the board. Alright, now grab that Worcestershire and let's get a little bit of a splash. Please see the description below for the ingredients. There's also a link on how to make rich and creamy homemade mayonnaise, the mayonnaise that was used in this video. Okay, let's go ahead and throw it all together. Grab 1/2 cup of sweet pickles, throw it on in. 1 tablespoon of minced onions. Grab 1 egg yolk crushed. Half a teaspoon of Worcestershire. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley. Grab a spoon and mix it all together. And that'll do it. Sweet tartar sauce. Thanks for watching. Please click that like button, leave your comments below. Please hit that subscribe button so you can see the latest and greatest videos, and I'll see you next time.